All right, so you got a crack in your basement and you want to fix it. So what do? Go ahead and rent yourself a little mini excavator. Dig it out. Get down 8 feet or so. You grind out your crack and you use some concrete caulk sealant and seal it up. We're gonna leave it exposed to the air overnight, and then tomorrow we'll come back and do a little bit of more magic on it. Just make sure you shore everything up so that you don't get it collapse. But really, anybody can do this themselves and save themselves thousands of dollars. Just make sure you got yourself some good help. Is that right, Chad?
Yeah.
Piece of cake?
Easy.
Easy.
We're gonna go do another one right now.
The neighbor says, come and do mine. But yeah,
Make a killing on this.
you can do it. Anybody can do it. If you can drive an excavator, you can do this. Peace. All right, done for a day of playing. Load her up.
Yeah. There you go. Just like that.
Yeah. All right, we're back at it. Day 2. I'm actually sore from that 10 minutes of digging. How are you feeling after that 10 minutes?
Dude, you gotta get the excavator, and if you're 40 or over, go for the excavator. And the
You have
Bobcat.
to. We only dug for like 10 minutes hand dig, and I was hitting the ibuprofen last night
I
and
did too.
this
I went
morning.
home and took 3.
What's up, Kyron?
Oh, not too much.
Yeah, you here to supervise?
Yeah, I guess so.
All right. So we're back at it. So far we rented the excavator, we dug a hole and sealed up the patch, and today we're going to continue on. We're going to backfill and got another piece of equipment over, so we can. We're too old for digging, any kind of digging. So yeah, we're getting ready to get back at it. Oh, there's the boss back at her chair. How you doing, boss? Yeah. In that chair. Oh, goodness. All right. Hey, all right. Didn't no collapse and no nothing, so we did good. Yeah. All right. All right. Get down there. You can see how it hardened up. We're going to clean it up. Put some more black caulk or something on it. Some rubberized caulk and plastic it and bury it back. We'll get at it. All right. Just doing a little pressure test on this cement caulk. It'll take 27 hours to cure and like 7 days to fully cure. So let's have a test. It's tacky, but we're definitely gonna backfill this today. Definitely. Yeah. It's probably temperature based too. I'm still got a little bit of give to it, but it's all right. So after doing some research, this is what I came up with. Quikrete commercial grade advanced polymer concrete crack sealant. It's actually working really good. Only $10 a tube, and we used 2 tubes and got a really good coating. So now we're going to just put some roof cement, plastic roof cement, just to basically hold the plastic up. We probably should have some heavy duty visqueen, but we don't. We're just making it do what we got. So we're going to give it a nice good covering. We'll use a tube. I would just do the black portion of that, Kyron. Just go up to the black line, and then don't do the white part, because I don't think we'll put any plastic on that. We'll just go up to where they got their black at. All right. Basically just to hold the plastic. A little tacky.
I think we should go a little higher with the top.
All right. So we got 4 layers of plastic. So is it the right way? I don't know. It is definitely the affordable way. Saved ourselves thousands. And this will work. Fill the crack, put some roofing sealant to hold the plastic in place. We're just gonna backfill it and get some gutters, and we'll be set. We won't have to worry about it. And honestly, we got $300 into this whole thing, including fuel. It's not labor, but you know, get the Bobcat and push this back in the hole, and we will be done. Meanwhile, Chad and Kyron are doing some tree removal. Thinking about you, Nick. Oh yeah, tree removal at its finest. Yeah, that's quite the load there. Need a bigger truck. All right, we'll do another cut in a minute. All right, there it is. All done. Get some grass seed, maybe build it up a little bit. So, you know, if you need your crack repaired, just call Chad.
Yo!
Psych! Yeah, work smarter, not harder, and rent equipment. That right, Quine? Boom.
Yeah.
Peace. Till next time.